Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Stripe webhooks for subscription events, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Stripe webhooks for subscription events, start by logging into your Stripe dashboard. Navigate to the Developers section on the left sidebar. Click on Webhooks to view your existing webhook endpoints. If you don't have an endpoint, click the plus Add Endpoint button. Enter your endpoint URL, which is where your application will receive webhook events. Select the specific events you want to listen to, such as subscription created or subscription updated. Next, click Add Endpoint to save your settings. Once your endpoint is created, copy the signing secret for verification. Open your application code where the webhook handler is located. Integrate the Stripe SDK into your project if you haven't already. Use the signing secret to verify incoming webhook events. Extract the Stripe signature from the request headers. Create a function to compute the expected signature based on your payload and the signing secret. Compare the computed signature with the one provided in the headers. If they match, you can trust that the event is coming from Stripe. Proceed to handle the subscription event as per your business logic. Log any errors for debugging purposes. Make sure to test your implementation using Stripe's test mode. Use the Send Test Webhook button in the dashboard to simulate events. Check your application to ensure it responds correctly to the test webhooks. Reviewing your logs can provide insights into any issues that may arise. Once everything works in test mode, switch to live mode for real transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.